happened to her hair? Well, if I wanna shave it close, so I wanna rock locks that'll take a bit away from the soul that I got. Little girl with the pressing curl. Age 8, I got a Jerry curl. 13, and I got a relaxer. I was a source of so much laughter. 15, when it all broke off. 18, and I went on natural. February 2002, I went on and did what I had to do because it was time to change.
Hello, it's your girl Asia. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, make sure you subscribe and click that bell so you become part of the notification gang. For today, guys, honestly, we're just gonna be talking about my personal favorite hair products. I'm gonna start off by talking about the 3-Minute Miracle Aussie. I either use the 3-Minute Miracle Smooth or the 3-Minute Miracle Moist. They both make my hair really soft, so I kind of just go off base by what's in it, really. So this one has aloe vera oil and this one is avocado. Both of them make my hair really soft. I love both of them, so it doesn't really matter which one I grab. Sometimes I just grab both, call it a day, and whichever one I run out, I just jump to the next one. It really doesn't matter. But I would definitely recommend these. They're really not even that expensive. I think they're like $3 to $5. Probably not even up to $5. I'm probably over exaggerating it. I might have the prices come up at the bottom for you guys. But yeah, so that's what I use from Aussie. I don't use their shampoos because I feel like the shampoo makes my hair really dry. So I don't like their shampoo. Next, so those are the deep conditioners. Another conditioner that I really like is the Mielle Pomegranate and Honey line. I love this entire line. Like, I love the conditioner, I love the shampoo. I even have the twisting cream. Like, I love this line. It's amazing. It makes my hair really soft, and when I use the conditioner and the shampoo, it helps me detangle my hair really good. It's not hard to comb out or anything like that. And it smells amazing. Yeah, you can find this at Target. I don't think they sell them at Walmart though, so I would definitely try Target or online, Amazon. The Aussie, I think you can find anywhere, honestly speaking. But this, I know you can't find it at Walmart. I've never seen Walmart have Mielle, but I always buy it from Target or I get it online on Amazon. Amazon is a bit more pricier though, so just try Target, But yes, I would definitely recommend this. This is a 10 out of 10. Okay, love this, my favorite. I don't know where I would be without it, but yeah. So that's Mielle. Next, kinky curly, love it. The shampoo, again, just like the Mielle, it detangles my hair. Like, I've always had problems when it comes to washing my hair, even when I was younger, because my hair is so thick. So I feel like whenever I try to wash it, there are just certain areas that I just wouldn't get to. And then I would come out and be like, gotta get back in because I didn't wash this part. So it was a mess. But this right here, one use, one wash, I'm straight. Like, there's not a section in my hair that goes without being touched when I use this right here. I love it so much. I have two. This is the second one. I still have a lot with the other one, and I bought that in the summer. It goes a long way. Like, I think it's only up to here. Like, I don't know, it's just a really long way. You don't have to put a lot in your hands just to use this. Like, you do not have to use a lot. Just like a little drop and guaranteed you can get your entire head. It's crazy. I love it so much though. It really works. And then with that, the Kinky Curly Not Today Leave-In Detangler. Love this as well. This smells really good. Let me double. Yes, sis. This smells really good. I do think, like, with this one, it does, like, you can use this up with like 2 uses, maybe 2-3 uses. If you have really thick hair and you have a lot of hair, you can definitely use this up. I would recommend buying 2 when you go to the store and purchase this. Natural leave-in. It smells amazing. Has your hair feeling really soft. It does not flake up. Like, I use Kinky Curly all the time and my hair is never really flaky when I use it. I don't want to say it gets crunchy. Like, it might have like a crunchy feel to it for maybe like 3-4 minutes after drying, 5 minutes after drying, but after a while it's just soft. Like, you don't feel the crunch anymore. It's amazing. I love it. And that goes as well with the curling custard. So when I do my wash and goes, I use both of these together. I put in the leave-in and then I put in the curling custard, and it feels amazing. This smells amazing. I don't really know like what I would describe with this smell. It just smells really good. I don't know. I don't know what it smells like. I can't describe the smell, but it smells really good. I would recommend this whole line. Well, there are some things with this line that I have not tried. I know they have like a twisting cream and everything, but I haven't tried those. I really just tried the shampoo, the conditioner, and the curling custard, and I love it. These are my favorite products from that line. I might order the twisting to see how I feel about it. Maybe not, we'll see. But yeah, definitely recommend this. Make sure your hair feels really soft, moisturized, bouncy look, everything. If you saw my video on my wash and go using Kinky Curly, then you know what I'm talking about, because my hair was bomb. Okay. Another thing that I use a lot is, no, not this, my gel. This is my gel, my Extreme Wetline Gel. It's really good. I would definitely recommend it. Love it. I know a lot of people don't really like this gel. They think it makes their hair dry or stuff like that, but I don't know. It makes my hair really soft. I just used it actually when I put my puff up. Oil-free, aloe vera oil, and extra hold, sis. Like, you can't go wrong. And sometimes I even add this in with my wash and go. So I would definitely recommend buying this, and it's not expensive. You can find this at Walmart for like $3-4. Definitely would recommend it. It doesn't flake up, at least doesn't flake up in my hair. It makes my hair feel really soft. Definitely would recommend this. Doesn't make your hair flaky, it doesn't like crunch hard, none of that. It makes your hair feel really soft, and it looks really moisturized. As I Am, I haven't used As I Am in a really long time, not gonna lie. The coconut co-wash, this is, I believe, yeah. I haven't used it in a while. Normally my mom would use this, like, or my sisters, they'll come in my room and they'll use it. I don't know, I just stopped putting coconut in my hair. I used to always put coconut in my hair all the time, and then I kind of just stopped. Line, I would definitely recommend this line. I was using this when I first did my big chop. After I did my big chop, I don't know, I just wanted to branch out and just try different things because my hair was so short. I was like, whatever. So I just started trying different things, and I forgot all about my As I Am. I found it at the bottom. But yeah, this also makes your hair really soft, makes your hair smell really good. Definitely recommend, if you want to buy it, buy it. It's one of my favorite products as well. And then last but not least, actually, I'm lying. I also use this Shine and Jam. Like, literally, there's nothing in here. There is nothing in here at all. I use it all. I was putting my hair up and I was at the bottom of this, like, trying to put it in there, get a little something. I was scraping, okay? I really like this. It smells really good, holds my hair up really good, and it's kind of like a conditioning gel. So I usually put it over my gel after I use it, because I do think, like, you shouldn't use too much gel. Whether it's a good gel or not, I just feel like you shouldn't use too much gel in your hair. So I definitely put this over the gel on my hair whenever I put my hair up. And then after that, there is Curls Unleashed. It's not focusing. Curls Unleashed. I just started using this, so I couldn't even really tell you too much about it. I mostly use it, if you looked at my previous videos, and you see, like, I normally do like these 2 strands in front of my hair, so I mostly use it for that. I used it once when I did half up half down type thing, and it didn't come out bad. It came out really good. I do have to use this a couple more times though to really see, like, do I like it? As of right now, it's one of my favorites, but I'm also like, but I haven't really used it that much. But like, I really like it when I do use it, but I haven't used it, but I still like it. So I don't know, but we'll see. We'll see. Also, I just ordered, they have like a color boost line as well. I just ordered a sangria color, I think it said. So now I'm gonna put that in my hair, y'all. We gonna see how that come out. That's for another video. Those are my favorite products, guys. Those are basically the products that I use in my hair. I don't use that much. When I first cut my hair, I did use a lot of Can2 and Shea Moisture, and then found out that Cantu and Shea Moisture, not that great. So threw it in the trash. It's like, nah, I gave it away. That was expensive. I was throwing it out. But yeah, I stopped using those. These are really just the things that I've been using in my hair since I've been natural, and it hasn't failed me yet, so I'm gonna keep going. I also just ordered a couple more things. I ordered Jessie and Aunt Jackie's. I want to try, I think it's called like Uncle Funky or something like that. I'm not sure. Whatever. But yeah, I just ordered those, so we're gonna try that. And like I said before, I ordered the color as well, so I'm gonna put that in my hair. So that's for another video. Those are my favorite products. Also, I am doing a giveaway. It's giveaway time. I am doing a giveaway, guys. So by the end of this month, I want to be up to 55 subscribers. So what I'm gonna do is like, comment, share, and subscribe. Take like a screenshot and DM it to me on Instagram for proof that you did subscribe, and I'm just gonna write down your Instagram name. If your names are gonna go into the bucket or hat. Then once I get to 55 subscribers, I'm gonna do another video with me picking through it, basically putting my hand out, picking out a random person, and whoever's name that I pick, you will receive $30 Visa gift card and a hair product. And that's the end of my video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, subscribe, click the bell, become a part of notification gang, be my friend. I'm trying to be friends with you, sis. Make sure you guys are washing your hands. Stay safe. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching me, and thank you so much for helping me get to where I'm at. Peace and love. Bye.
Is that India? What happened to her hair?
Well, if I wanna shave it close, so I wanna rock locks, that don't take a bit away.